Did you know the birds you see today are actually living dinosaurs? Millions of years ago, some of the most fearsome dinosaurs, theropods, began to evolve. Hard to imagine, right? Over time, they developed feathers, smaller bodies, and eventually, wings. The transition was slow but incredible. Yes, those fierce, sharp-toothed predators are now the birds right outside your window. From tiny, fast hummingbirds to the towering ostrich, these feathered creatures carry the legacy of dinosaurs. So next time you hear a bird chirping or watch one glide through the air, just remember, you're looking at a modern-day dinosaur. Isn't that amazing?